Aloha again. Welcome back to this mini series of understanding energy, and today I would like to explain to you how Reiki works. So as we said, Reiki is one of the most popular nowadays energy healing practice. Reiki seems to have an intelligence of its own, flowing where it is needed in the client, and it creates the healing conditions necessary for the individual's needs. I believe that the source of or cause of health comes from the ki, the life force energy that flows through and around our body. Ki animates the physical organs and tissues as it flows through them, creating a healthy condition. If the flow of ki is disrupted or gets stifled, the physical organs and tissues will be affected. So the disruption in the flow of ki is the main cause of illness or disease. The ki responds to our thoughts and our feelings, our emotions. So it will flow more freely and strongly, or in a weaker way, depending on the quality of our thoughts and emotions. Negative thoughts, a consistent negative talk to yourself, and negative feelings, lower vibrational feelings and emotions will cause a restriction of this flow of ki. The negative impact of stress on our health is widely recognized even among the traditional medical practitioners. We also need to realize that the mind exists not only in the brain but also throughout the body. The nervous system extends to every organ and tissue in our body, and so the mind exists there. In fact, the mind even extends outside the body in our energy field, also called the aura. Therefore, our negative thoughts and negative conversations or negative emotions are not just in the brain, but also they get collected in different locations throughout the body and in the aura. So the places where negative thoughts and feelings get stagnant, get accumulated, the flow chi gets restricted. And if the negative thoughts and the negative feelings are not removed or cleared or eliminated quickly, they become physical symptoms of illness or disease.